Hello, I'm Elliot Brady, and today I'll be analysing and explaining the ins and outs of the Xbox marketing campaign for the reboot of the Tomb Raider video game. Tomb Raider have been a staple franchise for many years, and Xbox wanted to make the marketing campaign for the new game memorable and unique, as Xbox planned to release the new Tomb Raider game in the same week that some other huge game franchises were planning on releasing games as well. This promoted them to think of a marketing campaign that would stand out against other huge games that were being released. The marketing team at Xbox looked at the current space of adverts and campaigns and looked for an opportunity to do something that no one else had done before. They achieved this to great effect with the campaign they called the Survival Billboard. This campaign was extremely effective and really made the game stand out against its competitors. This innovative marketing campaign was a massive success for the public, as it combined aspects of classic marketing with the use of billboard in central London, as well as modern marketing techniques. There was a high level of community interaction, which set it apart from almost every other marketing campaign. The idea behind the campaign was rather simple. They wanted to create something that portrayed the harsh conditions that Lara Croft, the main character of the game franchise, endures throughout the game. Lara is subject to an extremely harsh weather conditions such as rain, hail and snow. To portray this, a billboard was home to 8 brave contestants who would be subject to extreme weather conditions for as long as they could last. It was the social media side of this campaign that really made it popular, as the whole event was live streamed with live commentary, giveaways and entertainment throughout the whole process. Not only were the public viewers of this event, but they also had a say in what the weather conditions the contestants were subject to. Every hour a vote was cast to the viewers, and they could choose between 2 different conditions, such as rain or snow, and the contestants up on the billboard would have to withstand the chosen condition for 1 hour. The definition of innovation is the introduction of something new, or as a new method, idea or device. This Xbox marketing campaign fits in all of these categories. This is one of the most innovative marketing campaigns a gaming company has ever done. Many campaigns don't relate to the game very well, or they don't have the same level of community interaction as this brilliant campaign had. Not only was this public stunt innovative for the gaming industry, but also for general advertising, as they used a form of marketing that is rarely used to its maximum potential. The billboard is an age-old marketing technique that has been used since the 1830s, and since then it hasn't been many innovations in how companies use the billboard to market their product or service. Billboards have been used the same way for over 100 years. Every business uses the allocated space to paint on an image with information about the product or service they are providing. This way of advertising is old and outdated, and the statistics show that the average time for people walking past billboards to stop and observe them is only 8 seconds. This Xbox campaign made leaps and bounds in creating a billboard advertisement that people stopped and stared at and wanted to get involved in. The average viewing time for this billboard ad was over 8 minutes, which is a huge improvement on the standard billboard viewing time. Xbox managed to take the idea of billboard advertising and bring it to the modern age. They took the concept of survival reality TV show and made it into a real-time, public event that people could see and experience from just meters away. Not only did the innovation come from the contest itself, but from the social and community interaction. Instead of the boffins at Xbox deciding what would happen to the contestants, and when, a vote was put out every hour on the micro website survivalbillboard.com, with 2 options to change the weather. Anyone of any age could then vote, and the most popular would be the next challenge that the contestants would have to face. The event was also live streamed on the popular streaming website twitch.tv, where tens of thousands of people watched the event over a 26-hour duration. The livestream had a talk show where they would discuss the event and the new Tomb Raider game that they were promoting. Twitter also played a part, as people used the platform to make bets around who would win and support their favourite contestant. Social marketing is defined as the use of commercial marketing in the promotion of goods and services that benefit the customer. Social marketing played a huge part in this campaign, and without social media the event would not have been anywhere near as successful as it was. The live streaming aspect of the event is what helped it gain so much traction around the world. Xbox pushed this campaign on all forms of social media. Facebook, Twitter and Instagram followers of the multi-billion-dollar company were constantly updated on the progress of the event and were always directing their followers to the Twitch stream to watch the event live. Without the social side, this project would not have had the impact and reach that it did with the social media platform that it was operating on. Xbox got everything right when they decided to embark upon this project. There were no major issues and there was no miscommunication through social media as to what the event was, when or where it was taking place. It was smooth and provided a great community experience. There are so many things that can go wrong with a live stream, from technical hitches to lack of communication between the hosts and producers. But none of these issues presided during the event. Xbox utilized all of the modern social media and social marketing techniques to create a seamless experience that immersed the viewer into the world of these contestants as an extension into the life of Lara Croft. This campaign showed that in this day and age there is no better time to use social marketing to have the greatest reach in the online world. Branding in the marketing sense can be defined as something that sets the business apart from other businesses in the same industry, and tries to create a culture that attracts and retains loyal customers. The Survival Billboard campaign aimed to do exactly this by creating a campaign that was so different and innovative that it attracted new customers to the franchise and showed the already loyal customers exactly why they should stick with the franchise. This campaign also changed the public image of the franchise. Previously, the game had been marketed as an adventure video game. This completely changed in 2015 with the rise of the Tomb Raider. It became more than just a game, as people all around the world saw the new Lara Croft in a visually stunning game that immersed the player in the game and connected them with the character. The gaming and comic book event Comic-Con saw the highest number of Lara Croft. The gaming and comic book event Comic-Con saw the highest number of Lara Croft cosplayers in recent years. There were countless other marketing events such as photo shoots and online puzzles that immersed the consumer in the world and reintroduced Tomb Raider as one of the biggest games in recent times. All of these aspects of the marketing campaign helped create a new image for the franchise. It excited the current fans of the franchise and also excited the existing fans, as they had so much to look forward to in the next iteration of the game. In conclusion, this marketing campaign by Xbox to promote the rejuvenation of the Tomb Raider franchise, the campaign aimed to show the consumer that Lara Croft is tough and strong. It wanted to show the average person the trials and tribulations that the character endures during the game. It also aimed to excite fans of the series and bring in other consumers and show them how new, exciting and interesting the game franchise is. This campaign would not have been as successful had it not been campaigned so well on social media. Facebook, Instagram and Twitter played a huge part in the marketing of this campaign. The event was promoted on all types of social media with a constant update, photos and videos showing fans exactly what was going on at all times. A micro website was set up so the public could vote on the weather and conditions that the contestants would be forced to endure. A live stream kept everyone around the world updated on what was happening. This campaign completely changed everyone's perspective of the franchise, as it showed Lara Croft in new light as a tough, strong adventurer, and made everyone take the franchise and the character much more seriously.